So in this Google Sheets tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to add a drop-down list to cells here in Google Sheets. So what I want you guys to do is open up Google Sheets once you guys are here. Just select a range of cells. In this case, I'll just highlight this that you want to add the drop-down list to. So it's pretty straightforward. Once you have the cells selected, go to the top to where it says data, and then scroll down to where it says data validation. Then press on Add Rule. So right here, it's going to show you the range which is selected right here. Now under criteria, it actually will default to a drop down here. You can go ahead and do a drop down from a range or drop down. Once you're here too, you can also change the options. So if you wanted to do yes and no as the options, you can go ahead and do that. You can add another item if you want. Maybe we'll just add maybe. And if you want to allow multiple sections, you can as well, whatever the case may be. There's also advanced options as well if you want to change the display style. So there's chip, there's arrow, and there's plain text. I'll just keep it at chip for now. If this was good to you, go ahead and press done. Now once you're over here, you can go ahead and play around with it. So if you were to go here, you have my three options. There's yes, there's no, there's maybe, yes, yes, whatever the case may be. It's now right in front of you in regards to a drop-down list. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to add a drop-down list to cells in Google Sheets. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.